The question number 14. What is the difference between object-oriented programming, language, and object-based programming language? The answer is object-oriented programming languages like Java and C++ follow concepts of OOPs like encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance, etc. Object-based programming languages follow some features of OOPs, but they do not provide support for polymorphism and inheritance. Egg, JavaScript, VBScript, etc. Object-based programming languages provide support for objects, and you can build objects from constructor. They languages also support encapsulation. These are also known as prototype-oriented languages.